The double break in Q1 of 2021 happened over 80% of the time. So in terms of how to execute on that as an idea is waiting for one side to break, going into a level of supply, going into a level of resistance, or finding some sort of short signal, and then taking the move back down to the orb low, expecting both sides of the orb to break on that in that session. Now, this is Q1 2024. If you go in the same year, Q4 of 2024, it cuts nearly in half from 80% to 50%. So just to touch on what you were saying is that the orb, and what we were talking about was that the orb doesn't really work as well anymore. But what I love to do now is go to the initial bound, which is the one that we had mentioned, which is the first hour. And if we look here, and let's go to the last 6 months, and again, we're looking at ES, we're looking at the IB report, in the last 6 months, and we're looking exclusively at that New York session. And what you can see here on the ES is that 76% of the time in the last 6 months, price has only broken out to one side of the initial balance. 22% of the time it will break both sides, and 2 out of 125 days has it not broken either. Based on the data, we want to expect one side to break. Obviously, we don't know which side that is, but because over 98% of the time in the last 6 months, price has broken either one or both sides, you want to expect one side to break here.